Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, you don't know this is the skiller, you see? Now I have something for telling you which is a really weirdish news and a sad news and a news that show you that you have to give thanks every day because you don't know when, where or how the place is, you see me? Now, we all know that Mr. Seaga passed away on the 28th, right? Which is Tuesday, you see? Now, a news reporter from TVJ, right, which is Television Jamaica, one of Jamaica's broadcasting television network, right? A commentator known as Martin Henry, Mr. Martin Henry, is also an educator and he works for the Gleaner and he's 61 years old, you see me? Now, Mr. Martin Henry was giving his comments towards the passing of Mr. Edward Seaga that passed away in the hospital at Miami, Florida in the United States. You see me? And would you believe it that as Mr. Henry, which is Martin Henry, the commentator for Television Jamaica, leave the studio, then the man collapsed and just suddenly passed away. You see me? Now, I'm trying to find out what could be the cause of it, but according to certain reports, there hasn't been any cause or them not doing an investigation certainly for that as yet. You see me? Because it was a sudden passing. I'm saying to myself like, wow, that just lit me. Imagine this man was just on television in the TVJ studios commenting on the passing of a fellow person of Jamaica, which is the leader, which is a former leader of Jamaica, giving his expressions and feelings and condolences towards the situation, and then as the man leave the studio, the man collapsed and died. No, sir. So people, let me tell you something, man. You give thanks every day. You see it? You don't know when, where, or how, or even why too. You see me? So give thanks every day. Alright? Well, you don't know the thing already. I always just bring tune what go on in Jamaica and keep on up to date. So I say, so if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave a comment and let me know what you think. My name is Skilla and this is the Dancehall Skilla ENT. Big up on yourself. You see?